Where should I go to find solution of Maven commands? Let me talk to John. I believe he must have an idea about Maven commands. Hi John. How are you? I need your help. Hi Peter. As usual I am good. Tell me how can I help you? Can you please give a demo of Maven commands shortly? Sure. Why not? Let me render my laptop screen to you. You can check this out. We'll see first command. Called Maven install.
To check first Maven install command in Eclipse, and then after we'll try to check in command prompt. So if you have already created project in Maven, you can just try to go to that project, right click over here and click on the option run as, and you just have to select the option here Maven install, right? If you have properly configured Maven and you have already developed a project in Maven in a correct order, then you can simply click on Maven install. It will take a while to complete the whole process. If it is executing the test in a correct way, then it will be highlighting a message build success. If it is not properly built, it will say build failure, right? Or build failure or build failed message will be highlighted in your Eclipse window, especially in the console. And you can see one test case we have written. Okay, by default the name is already given app test. Okay, this is the first and initial way to utilize the command Maven install. If you try to add in other way, I just try to show you. You just have to right click on run as, and there's an option called Maven build, and here you can write install, right? Same command you should add here. Click on apply and run. It will execute the same steps as you have seen. You can see you can get the output as build success, and there is no any other requirement we have seen. I hope this part has been helping you in your learning. Second point, we are just trying to check in command prompt. So I would like to navigate to command prompt here. So first I have to click on project 1, click on properties, and I'll try to go to the location where actually the project is located. Then after I'll try to get into the project, and at the top means in the address bar I'll try to type CMD. Okay, and here I'll give MVN install. What is the purpose of Maven install command? It is responsible for installing the project artifacts into the local repository. You just have to check it. If it is successfully configured, definitely it will be giving you an output as build success. Okay, so if you have any doubt or any question, you can just write it in comment box. I'll try to respond as early as possible. Kindly like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends. Thank you team, and have a great day.